You're having trouble with your garage and you want it to start back going up and down like this. All right, the first step to making sure that your garage is working properly is these little sensors. They have a photo cell inside of them. You have one there and you have one on the other side. You want to make sure that those lenses are clean. You take a Q-tip or something and clean them. Second step is you want to make sure that this track is not too tight. You want to look at the bolts and see if you see any shiny spots where it's moved or something like that. If it has moved, then you need to loosen, get the camera right, loosen those bolts so that the track can break free. And once it's free, tighten them back down. So let me show you this other side. Here's the other sensor. So it's these tracks. You see how these are all the way at the edge? Some are in. Well, you just want to loosen those. And then everything should work properly. But you want to make sure that this sensor is lined up with the sensor across from it. Then you won't have to worry about your garage constantly going up and down anymore. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see some more of my videos to help you fix things that you're having problems with around your house or with your vehicle, please hit that bell notification. Thank you.